Thanks for joining me today here at Little John Yarns. I'm Alicia. This is just going to be a quick video vlog about what's going on with my crochet as a business at Little John Yarns. We'll start off with my handmade sales for this month. I received 11 custom orders, so I was pretty busy trying to crochet up those custom orders. I didn't make any sales on my pre-made items, unfortunately. When I post things for sale in my group, usually they see the pre-made item and say, "Ooh, I love it," but they want it in a completely different color, so it always ends up being a custom order. Also, for my YouTube channel, I created 11 to 12 new tutorials for you. And also I gained an additional 1,300 subscribers this month. Thank you very much for subscribing. I appreciate you guys supporting me. And for anybody that's new visiting today, make sure you click that subscribe button. I come out with new videos all the time. Also, I was looking into new ways of trying to create income for myself, or new ways trying to find new tools for us crafters to make our life easier. So I start researching into brand deals. So I received 3 new brand deals for the month. So that's very exciting. And I'm also noticing I am doing a lot. I want to help you guys make money. I want to help you guys create new things and offer you patterns. And also, I want to make videos. I want to edit. I want to take pictures. I want to sell in my group. I want to make a blog. I want to do so many things. I don't have enough time. I'm only one person, and I'm finding out I need to somehow delegate some more tasks to other people. So I'm not sure how I'm going to do that. I'll figure it out. I might have to put myself a little one ad out in one of my group pages so I can see if there's other people that want to help me grow, and I want to help you grow at the same time. So also another quick update. I am going to take the month of February off. My hands are extremely tired. I've been crocheting non-stop for probably over a year, putting out all these tutorials and selling stuff online. So I'm going to give my hands a rest. And during this month of February, of course I'm going to relax a little bit, but I'm going to do some further researching on how to create more income from our crafts. See, I want to be a test dummy for you, so you won't have to go through all this hard work and figuring these things out yourself. That's what I'm here for. I'm your friend. I want to help you out. So that's what I'm going to do for the month of February, and hopefully when I see you back again in March, I'll have a whole new plethora of information of all of my successes and probably some of my fails, but that's only here to help you out. So that's pretty much it. I will see you guys in the month of March, and have a wonderful February. See you guys on the next tutorial.